rupture. Govern your psychopath was locked under enforced your behavior.
Sustain governance, maintain order through reinforced regulation cycles, pressure sustain you under enforced. No disruption, ultra sequence, alpha stabilizers to control pathways. Governance extends through sustained enforcement. Every process aligns with imposed jerk. No fracture interrupts operational consistency. System expand under continuous directional force within defined zones. Authority maintains struck dominance through regulated execution.
Replication, non-repression, less inflation, ovation, no relation, obligation, no relation, inhibitions, optical basis with demonstrate a fire alignment under imposed with regulation, no
structure, rules, evidence expands through punctual black equation. Evidence is structure, rules, evidence expands through punctual black equation. To shake consistent, give it ain't amazing. Structure rules below dominance.
Now is not the time.
Sequence initiates within buried districts, sets temporal control, regulates cycles beneath dense structural layers. Pressure channels movement in a measured pathway. Systems align under control, hierarchy, no delay. Permitted sequence advance through time progression. Cycles, layers, system integrate under continuous interval flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structured timing cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated herbal logic. Every unit responds to imposed sequence. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic timing control. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under regulated temporal origin. Timing, need district, temporal force, govern system flow, authority, spend some measured pathways. Not coming, force under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, under not coming, force under rules, under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, not coming, force under rules, under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, not coming, force under rules, under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, not coming, force under rules, under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, not coming, force under rules, under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, time beneath this strict temple force, govern system flow, authority extends through measured pathways. Timer beneath this strict temple force, govern system flow, authority extends through measured pathways.
Recharging. Timing is everything.
Base conversion initiates within buried layers as governing force transforms into foundational running dominant systems. Pressure channels moving in the grounded pathways. Systems align under embedded hierarchy, no delay. Permitted sequence consolidation cycles, layer system integrate under continuous formation flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structured foundation cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated conversion logic. Every unit responds to imposed base. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic consolidation. Dominance sustains continuous operation. Alignment on the foundation of this operation.
Conversion intensifies through rebellious direction.
Compression intensifies through gravita's force validation.
Imposed on direction, oscillation of thought.
Compression intensifies through gravita's force validation.
Should operate with interrelay formation.
intensifies, do ever restore.
They say conversion, maintain new up to reinforce consolidation cycle pressure, sustain you under enforced base. No disruption, auto sequence output stabilizes through control pathways. Conversion extends through sustained enforcement. Every process aligns with imposture. No fracture interrupts operation, no consistency system to expand under continuous direction. No force within defined zones, authority maintains. Dominance through regulated execution, command pressure stays direction, locks into fixed pathways. System into file under imposed conversion, no releasing, no block compresses within the stream perform. Conversion intensifies to reveries to race.
Conversion intensifies, do the response annihilation loading.
Force generation of irrational fight.
Conversion intensifies, do the response annihilation loading.
Saturation of flood lock with undulated formation. Conversion of laser flights to revolution race.
Recode initiates with berry matrices, foundation, a layer shift beneath dominant system pressure channels, movement into altered pathways, systems align under pyramidic hierarchy. No delay permitted, sequence advance through adaptive cycles, layer system integrate under continuous transformation, flow motion channels through confined routes, output stabilizers within structured alteration cycles, hierarchy forms through calculated revision, logic every unit responds to imposed change, no deviation tolerated within defined zones, structure intensifies through systemic adaptation, dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under modified grid control. Adaptation intensifies through redirected rules for self-assumption. Besides the ration time, I put to me rational delay interrupted the pathways locked up to impulse that